Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram and hit the search button. In the search results, you should see Instagram listed usually at the top. Tap on it to open its details page. On the app details page, you will see a button that says Get or shows a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on it. And this is how you can download Instagram on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.